Welcome to the Motorcycle Theory Quiz Part 2. This part covers questions 51 to 100. Listen carefully, choose your answer, then the correct one will be revealed. Good luck! Painted lane markings can be dangerous because Option A, they are shiny and may dazzle at night. Option B, they are slippery. Option C, their surface may be rough, causing the bike to jolt. The correct answer is B, they are slippery. Brakes need regular checking. The most important thing to do is Option A, check the brake pads. Option B, check the brake lever. Option C, lots of heavy braking. The correct answer is A, check the brake pads. Among the many hazards of riding a motorbike is Option A, riding at daytime only. Option B, riding overconfident. Option C, riding as pillion passenger. The correct answer is B, riding overconfident. Being patient when riding is one way of Option A, avoiding riding hazards. Option B, reaching destination early. Option C, showing off riding skills. The correct answer is A, avoiding riding hazards. If you ride under the influence of alcohol, Option A, your riding skills improve. Option B, your reflexes become tired. Option C, your hazard awareness is reduced. The correct answer is C, your hazard awareness is reduced. Because tiredness affects your balance and vision, you should, Option A, not ride if you are tired. Option B, not avoid riding if you are tired. Option C, not delay riding if you are tired. The correct answer is A, not ride if you are tired. Make your ride less tiring by Option A, riding at night only. Option B, taking coffee or tea frequently. Option C, wearing protective clothing. The correct answer is C, wearing protective clothing. Wearing bright clothing when riding is Option A, enough to guarantee safety. Option B, enough to expect others to see you. Option C, not enough to guarantee safety. The correct answer is C, not enough to guarantee safety. Why you must not ride under the influence of alcohol. Option A, because it makes you take risks. Option B, because it makes you sleepy at night. Option C, because it makes you sensitive to sound. The correct answer is A, because it makes you take risks. When you ride, yourself can be a hazard if Option A, you ride with friends. Option B, you ride in a bad mood. Option C, you ride for a short period only. The correct answer is B, you ride in a bad mood. Why is it important to wear protective clothing when riding? Option A, because it makes the ride smooth. Option B, because it helps prevent dehydration. Option C, because it helps the bike go faster. The correct answer is B, because it helps prevent dehydration. Why is it important to wear helmet when riding a bike? Option A, because it helps prevent serious head injuries. Option B, because it protects the rider's face. Option C, because it helps the rider focus. The correct answer is A, because it helps prevent serious head injuries. Visors or goggles must be free of scratch because Option A, it can affect vision of the rider. Option B, it can affect the performance of the motorcycle. Option C, it can slow the reaction of the rider. The correct answer is A, it can affect vision of the rider. Why is it important to use new helmet? Option A, because new helmet is more visible. Option B, because a used helmet may have damage you cannot see. Option C, because a new helmet is required. The correct answer is B, because a used helmet may have damage you cannot see. When riding with a pillion passenger, helmet is Option A, required for the rider only. Option B, not required for the pillion passenger. Option C, required for both rider and pillion passenger. The correct answer is C, required for both rider and pillion passenger. It is best to use bright colored helmet because option A, it makes the ride more enjoyable. Option B, it makes the ride a lot easier. Option C, it helps the rider to be more visible. The correct answer is C, it helps the rider to be more visible. Wearing the right clothing when riding helps the rider to option A, be comfortable and focus on riding properly. Option B, ride better and safer. Option C, stay clear of hazards. The correct answer is A, be comfortable and focus on riding properly. When riding, wearing bright colored clothing will help. Option A, other road users see and able to avoid you. Option B, other road users provide you direction. Option C, other road users stay closer to you. The correct answer is A, other road users see and able to avoid you. If you are riding in rough roads, slowing down will option A, help you become oriented. Option B, help reduce road shocks. Option C, help give you time to rest. The correct answer is B, help reduce road shocks. When riding, bumps on the road can option A, affect your directional control. Option B, affect your steering as well as suspension. Option C, affect your destination. The correct answer is B, affect your steering as well as suspension. If you are riding in rough roads, slowing down will option A, help give your bike's suspension time to work. Option B, help you raise yourself on foot pegs. Option C, help you use the rear brakes. The correct answer is A, help give your bike's suspension time to work. The best way to deal with slippery surface is to option A, use both front and rear brakes. Option B, reduce speed and avoid changing gear. Option C, reduce speed and change gear. The correct answer is B, reduce speed and avoid changing gear. Avoid braking when riding on slippery surfaces, but if you must, option A, use both front and rear brakes frequently. Option B, use front brake first and rear brake second. Option C, use both brakes evenly. The correct answer is C, use both brakes evenly. Riding in the middle of the lanes may be dangerous because option A, other riders are using the middle lanes. Option B, spilled grease and oil make the area slippery. Option C, middle lanes are always patchy. The correct answer is B, spilled grease and oil make the area slippery. Why must you ride slower at night than during daytime? Option A, because your headlights show limited area only. Option B, because other road users also travel slower. Option C, because the road is slower at night. The correct answer is A, because your headlights show limited area only. Compared to daytime, the speed and distance at night is option A, longer than daytime. Option B, more difficult to judge. Option C, more difficult to see. The correct answer is B, more difficult to judge. When riding at night, avoid affecting your vision by option A, looking at the side of the road ahead. Option B, looking directly at the lights of oncoming traffic. Option C, focusing on the vehicle in front. The correct answer is A, looking at the side of the road ahead. To see clearly and ride safely at night, option A, do not exceed the speed limit. Option B, do not use brakes very often. Option C, do not use tinted glasses. The correct answer is C, do not use tinted glasses. When riding at night or when visibility is poor, you must option A, switch on headlights. Option B, switch on brake lights. Option C, switch on street lights. The correct answer is A, switch on headlights. It is important to ride slower at night in order to option A, have a relaxing trip. Option B, have longer time to react to hazards. Option C, make others ride slower also. The correct answer is B, have longer time to react to hazards. Improve your safety when riding at night by Option A, reducing your travel time. Option B, increasing your visibility. Option C, reducing your following distance. The correct answer is B, increasing your visibility. Keeping a safe distance of at least 3 seconds is important because Option A, it gives you more time to stop in an emergency. Option B, it allows you more room to accelerate faster. Option C, you can swerve easily. The correct answer is it gives you more time to stop in an emergency. Why must you do head check before lane every change? Option A, because mirrors are sometimes not working. Option B, because it is a good exercise for your neck. Option C, because mirrors will not show all hazards. The correct answer is C, because mirrors will not show all hazards. When the bike leans to the right, the pillion passenger should stabilize by Option A, leaning to the opposite side. Option B, leaning to the same right side. Option C, leaning forward. The correct answer is B, leaning to the same right side. When carrying load or passenger, how is motorcycle affected? Option A, it may take longer time to stop. Option B, it will accelerate faster. Option C, it may ride around corner easier. The correct answer is it may take longer time to stop. Looking after your bike means Option A, keeping it in full display always. Option B, having it serviced regularly. Option C, having it used regularly. The correct answer is B, having it serviced regularly. Maintaining your bike properly includes Option A, checking if registration is valid. Option B, checking if it looks good. Option C, checking the oil regularly. The correct answer is C, checking the oil regularly. You will know if your brake is still good by Option A, looking at wear indicators of the brake pads. Option B, looking at the brake lever. Option C, looking at the tires. The correct answer is A, looking at wear indicators of the brake pads. Loose or missing nuts and bolts is among those that Option A, must be checked before you go for a ride. Option B, must be checked after you go for a ride. Option C, must be checked during the duration of the ride. The correct answer is A, must be checked before you go for a ride. To ensure you have proper maintenance guide, check Option A, the mechanic nearby. Option B, the owner's manual. Option C, the parts of the bike. The correct answer is B, the owner's manual. To help ensure riders' safety, pre-drive checks, Option A, should be conducted by every rider. Option B, should be conducted by pillion passenger. Option C, should be conducted by a new rider. The correct answer is A, should be conducted by every rider. To prepare for many hazards on the road, build up your skills gradually by Option A, riding in daylight before riding at night. Option B, riding in night time mostly. Option C, nighttime or daytime is fine for practice riding. The correct answer is A, riding in daylight before riding at night. This makes it difficult to concentrate and control your bike at the same time. Option A, learning new techniques. Option B, taking lots of practice ride. Option C, consuming alcohol. The correct answer is C, consuming alcohol. Riding under the influence of alcohol is dangerous because Option A, it makes you learn new techniques. Option B, it affects your sense of balance. Option C, it makes you ride slow. The correct answer is B, it affects your sense of balance. This can make it difficult for you to concentrate and control your bike. Option A, eating healthy breakfast. Option B, taking lots of practice ride. Option C, consuming a small amount of alcohol. The correct answer is C, consuming a small amount of alcohol. If you ride under the influence of alcohol, you might Option A, Not see hazards and react in time. Option B. See hazards early and react in time. Option C. Ride much better at night. The correct answer is A. Not see hazards and react in time. What are some dangers when riding under the influence of alcohol? Option A. Makes you more careful. Option B. Affects the protection of the helmet. Option C. Affects your sense of balance. The correct answer is C. Affects your sense of balance. If any kind of drugs can affect your riding ability, what can you do to be safe? Option A. Check with a pharmacist or doctor before you ride. Option B. Ride slowly and take small streets. Option C. Check the mirrors more frequently. The correct answer is A. Check with a pharmacist or doctor before you ride. If you have taken some drugs but unsure of the effect, it is best to Option A. Avoid taking the drugs. Option B. Avoid riding at all. Option C. Inform RTA of your medical condition. The correct answer is B. Avoid riding at all. Wear protective clothing because it helps prevent dehydration. It also, Option A, makes your riding less tiring. Option B, helps to have more balance. Option C, makes you more fatigued. The correct answer is A, makes your riding less tiring.